My name is Kit Meshenmure. I'm a professor in art theory at Curtin University. My research focuses on the work of artists that have survived war and genocide and violent conflict in various parts of the world. Australia is a very safe and privileged part of the world, and this research is about giving voices to people from war zones and connecting them with the community in Australia. Initially, I intended to be a journalist, and then I met an inspirational teacher when I was about 19 years old. She made me see the world differently through art, and as a result of that, I now feel like sometimes art is the most nuanced and interesting way of looking at the most difficult problems that we have in the world. So I've just co-curated an exhibition with the Art Gallery of Western Australia called Art of Peace. It brought together 9 artists from Bosnia-Herzegovina, Timor-Leste and Rwanda who have lived through and survived the war and genocide in those countries, and that exhibition was on for 5 months at the gallery. One of the artists that we worked with in Art of Peace, Maria Madeira, was the first artist from Timor-Leste to be shown in the Venice Biennale last year. So we're incredibly proud of her and incredibly honoured to have her in the exhibition. My research is funded by the Australian Research Council, and the project partners are the Art Gallery of Western Australia and the Australian War Memorial, who I work with on curating exhibitions. We rarely hear the voices of people who are caught in war zones and are subject to violent conflict and genocide. So what my work tries to do is to bring their voices to the public in Australia and in the rest of the world. Ultimately, what I want my research to do is to make people think differently about conflict and how people experience it.